Okay, so we're finally getting nearer to the end. We've gotten most of the prompt sets run. I ran a couple of them out of order by accident. And then at the end, I actually create a prompt 11 because what Sonnet did for me is it created the first 10 prompts in really detailed order. And then the next 10 prompts were just titles of what the prompt should be. So what I ended up doing is I went into Claude Sonnet and I said, here's 11, write it, let's try it. So we're good to go. At the end of this video, we will actually be on to the fun stuff, which is where we're going to be able to take the code, look for the bugs, debug everything, and then get to the point where we have a working application. So the last 11 prompts were all very long. I think the total was about 4 hours. So now we're at the point where we've got an application ready to debug. We're still probably 30 or 40 prompts away from having a working template application, but at least we're getting closer. Okay, so we forgot the Kanban board, which was prompt 11. So we're going to go back to that, or prompt 10. So we're going to go back to that now. And while it's doing that, we will write we will have Sonnet help us write the prompt for the next step. Okay, so we're going to go, it is in. Paste that in. That is not how you do that. So need to go back. Shoot. Okay, here we go. All right, let's see what we got for calendar. Oh, this is a nice looking calendar. Although I think in the end, I would want the calendar to be a little bit higher. So this will be one of our follow-on prompts that we're going to do. So that's month, week, day. Okay. All right, so we do have some issues. We do have the ability to create a new task, but the week and the day don't quite work. But it's a pretty decent looking calendar. Not sure what archive.php is actually supposed to do. Okay, so we're going to get a detailed prompt for prompt 15, archive and trash management. Complete a comprehensive archive and trash management system for organizing completed and deleted tasks. We're going to add to the database, it looks like. We're going to create some helper functions. Okay, so we're continuing this. It is weird how it jumps back up sometimes. Okay, so we're 27 seconds into this part where we're actually creating. Are we creating a Kanban board here? No, that was the calendar view, was the last thing. I feel like I did something wrong here. Phase 9 Kanban styling. Oh, here's prompt. All right. Oh no, that was the bash command I just did. Oh, Guess we're gonna proceed. Got a little confused there. Okay, so we finished the Kanban board, and now let's paste in trash collection. 285 line prompt. Very interesting. Don't even know what to expect out of this one. Okay, so now let's go back to the application itself. Okay. Go to the Kanban board. Okay, so the beautiful thing about a Kanban board is you can just drag progress. So let's say I'm working on my complete project proposal. I can drag it over and now it's completed. So if I'm moving my review team performance, I want to bring it into in progress. Now I've just updated the application. So now I am getting some bugs. So I do have ignoring session start because session is already active. That is interesting. Let's see, we still got nothing on the archive yet. The calendar looks pretty good. Let's see what we're doing here. I'm not really sure. Like I feel like the calendar should be popping something up. Let's see if we're getting any errors. We are getting a lot of errors. All right. Okay. So after this step, we're actually going to start going into the debugging phases. So you are going to see that there is a lot that needs to be fixed. Now I'm going to try using Haiku for a lot of the bug fixes, just because it's so much faster.